Here, in fact, you can see my clip mark there where I intentionally cut that. So if I take this, clamp it on, so I've got it locked in at 14 degrees. And I use this clamp to hold it. So that piece is on there nice and tight. Now in order to cut this, I need to put it like this. And this is where it gets a little dicey, especially with this material, but I can see where it's going to cut. So I'm going to go ahead and attempt to cut this. Hopefully it cuts well, but I don't know. I really hope it cuts well. Also, I'm going to lock it in so it can't move. That's better. And because this material is rubberized, it's flexible, so it kind of has a little bit of movement here, but you know, I'm holding it pretty tight. Hopefully it will work. Alright, there's really nothing I can do to hold that better because I can't really clamp it down. There's just no way to assist me with that. Unless I use like a and then I'll spray it. Literally, I'm going to glue it right to this. Let's see how it fits. See how it stays on here. And this stuff does really well, but I don't think it is as quick as 2P10. This is the Rhino glue. And it is strong. There's no doubt about that. But I don't think it's as quick as the 2P10 with the accelerator. Okay, that feels pretty tight. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put the vacuum on. So now my fingers are a little farther away. So that was good. Let me see if I can just break this off. Nice. Success. So I'm just going to spray that with a little accelerator. Just to dry it. Make sure it's all dry. So there it is. There's two things I want to do. I want to check to see how this fits with the regular molding and see how those join together. Oh yeah, that's nice. There it is right there. Perfect. So 14 and a half degree, that's my number there. Alright, let's flush with that in. I can just take this, measure it out. And 82 and 3/8. Put that right there. Cut that right there. So, kind of weird cutting this with the way this is. This is basically just like curled up here. It's kind of funny. Definitely want to make sure that it's oriented the right way, because this stuff, because it's so easy to twist, it would be real easy to get this wood like upside down. Alright, so now I see that where that cut again. I'm going to do one more cut. God, that's so loud. Even just one time, it's just so loud. Alright. a little 2p10 on this guy, or whatever this is. Cyanoacrylate glue. Now I gotta get this right on my mark. Seems like I should prime this as well. I don't know if it needs it or not, but I think so. Especially since I just sprayed accelerator on it. Because that 2p10 accelerator is not good for painting. You get like marks on it. Alright, I'm going to hold this guy just to keep it from, if by chance this comes undone, from going forward. Okay, ready? Here we go. Alright. Okay, now that 2p10, as you can see, or cyanoacrylate glue, did a good job holding it safely on there, so I didn't have to risk my fingers. There it is. Alright, I'm just going to spray this accelerator one more time. That's just to cure it out, make sure it's dry. That's all. But there's no bumps on it or anything. It's smooth. Nice. Okay. Whatever you do, you definitely want to seal this stuff up. So this is the glue I was using